Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this lesson I will explain those work that you will write in your notebook. So let's start. This is the presentation of chapter index. Give the heading. Chapter contents, glossary, words, sentences and question answers. These are the words: amenities, tearing, scribble, monuments, frustration, legitimate, grievances, recklessly, inconvenience and defaced. These are the meanings, English meanings for these words that you will write in your notebook. Don't write Urdu meaning in your notebook. Amenities: asaish, imlak, things considered to be necessary to live comfortably. Tearing, चीर पार करना, to pull or be pulled apart or to pull pieces of. Scribble, बेतवज्जही से लिखना, to write or draw something quickly or carelessly. Monuments, यादगार, a structure or building that is built to honor a special person or event. Frustration, मायूसी, नाउमीदी, the feeling of being annoyed or less confident because you cannot achieve what you want or something that makes you feel like this. Legitimate, reasonable and acceptable, allowed by law, means कानूनी. Grievances, शिकायत, a complaint or a feeling that you have been treated unfairly. Recklessly, a state or an example of problems or trouble, often causing a delay or loss of comfort, means तकलीफ. Defaced, खराब करना, abtar karna, to damage and spoil the appearance of something by writing or drawing on it. Students, these are the word sentences which are selected from glossary. For word sentences, I have selected first 5 words from glossary. You will write this in your notebook. Amenities: some houses lack over even basic amenities. Some houses lack even basic amenities. Some houses lack even basic amenities. Tearing of pages from a book is bad. Scribble: someone has scribbled all over the board. Monuments: we should not deface our national monuments. Frustration: some people speak loudly in frustration. These are the question answers. Students, you will write in your notebook. You have already known about the format of writing question answers, how to write question answers in your notebook. Follow the format. Let's start question number 1. How can we take care of public property? Answer: public property is owned by government. We must follow the following points. Number 1, we should not throw garbage on the road. Second, we should not spit while walking. Number 3, we should not waste water and electricity. Question number 2, what is a public place? The place built by government is called public property, e.g. parks, road, hospitals, library, government offices, etc. Number 3, how do you feel when people litter in park? I feel very sad because we should keep our country clean. Fourth, what is the importance of public property? Public property is important for the people of the country. We get a number of advantages. Like number 1, we go to library. Second, we play in the parks. Third, we get treatment from hospitals and many more. Number 5, why people destroy public property? Answer: people destroy public property because they express their anger and frustration. They destroy building buses and trains. One is harming oneself as well as progress of the country. These are the question answers. Do this work in your notebook and learn it. In description, here is a link given to you. Search the link and take the calligraphy lesson 9 for class 7. Stay safe at home. God bless you.